Hey guys, today I will talk about how can you enable post notifications on your MarketCoins app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings. You come to next here, then you just click here on push notifications. So then you go down, just keep going down, come here to pause, clicking this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here post notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.